Hey everybody, Roger Levin here with your general practice production pearl of the week. We need to really drill down to what's important in growing your production. We're facing some possibly, difficult or changing economic times. Nobody quite knows where things are or are not going. When that happens, one, patients start no-showing more. Two, patients start last-minute canceling more. Three, case acceptance is not as high as it used to be for the bigger cases. Four, elective cases begin to slow down. And five, new patients might slow down. With all that, what do you do in a challenging time? I'm not saying it's challenging, but we want to be prepared no matter what. What do you do to get ready for any situation? And here's the answer. It's very simple. One, you establish excellent step-by-step systems. You can't get them piecemeal. For 41 years, we've been providing management consulting services, and we know that a little bit here and a little bit there doesn't work unless times are really good. When it doesn't matter because everything's going well, so a little bit has a little bit of a result. Right now, we need the deep dive. We need excellent systems, scheduling, case presentation, hygiene, customer service, collections, overhead, insurance management, practice flow and efficiency. These are all critical elements. New patient system, the whole new patient experience system, as we call it, critical. How do you bring in a new patient to maximize your results? This is the time to get it right, to bring it together, because what happens in challenging times, the weaker players get knocked out. Now, I'm not saying anybody's getting knocked out. Dental practices are a little bit more protected than maybe some other businesses, but we're no longer recession-proof. And that's a key point. We are not recession-proof. The way you make yourself recession-proof is excellent systems, update them regularly, teach them to your team, and mandate that the team follow them. You will get great results. As always, I wish you increased practice production every year, and I'll see you next week.